Hello, this is Nico, the gardening guru, and I'm here today to show you what the G3P is and how it makes growing so easy. Now, it starts with the G3P's germination story, which is why I am so inspired to want to teach kids about growing their own fresh food. It takes place back in my hometown Parker library, where I taught kids and parents how to grow their own salad. While learning, we had a ton of fun. And while learning, we had a ton of fun. And so the parents, it told me that this would be a great activity to teach kids in schools, and that I should look into trying to reach out to some schools. So I actually did, and I reached out to one of my friends right after that, who is now putting me in contact to teach a little preschool class how to grow their own salad in a G3P. Yeah, I'm excited to help kids grow their own fresh food. Down by that soda bottle, you can see the cloth, and the water is definitely wickering it up. And then you can actually see the secret sauce up above the right hand corner, where you can tell that it's some simple cloth, a t-shirt, that wickers up the water. And yeah, it works, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner. The G3 team starts with Matt, who's been helping me at college create the G3Ps, Cole, my cousin, who does our community outreach, Chris, my childhood friend, who is creating the videos, Kennedy, my other cousin, who's going to be helping post on Instagram, Sophia, her sister, is going to be posting on Twitter, and then finally, Nico, am going to be tying everything together and making sure that we're on point with our vision, keeping that dream with the team. We need to start growing real, fresh food. Thank you for supporting the G3 community. If you like what we're doing, check out our perks and donate, support us, or share the campaign. Let's help the world be happier and healthier by connecting the G3 community.